Alright, so what we have here today are two Valvetronic mufflers. I've already cut the box open just to verify everything was off in there. I'm going to give a quick brief overview of what's all going to come inside of the box. This is one of the other mini exhaust components that you've seen on my channel. But I'm trying to give each of them their own video so that if there's anybody that wants to see a specific one, they can. So with this is their 3-inch version. We're gonna open up the box and show you guys what all comes inside, and we'll go from there. Okay, so like I said, I've already cut it open. What you're gonna get whenever you first open up the box is 2 stickers by Valvetronic. With this kit, to be honest, I've seen multiple other companies have the exact same kit. I think that they're all like just wholesale, and they just rebrand them as whatever. Which, I mean, dog, it's fine. You know, get your money how you get it. But what you're gonna see when you first open up the box is you're gonna have your 2 mufflers right here. The 2 active mufflers are gonna be right here, and there will be this black box. Have some tape over it or whatever. Sorry, this is upside down. It'll look like this. I'm gonna pop this open. You gotta cut the tape underneath first and then pop it open. My unit was actually damaged in shipping. So with my exhaust system, it was supposed to be sent to Texas, which is where I'm at, and instead it was sent to California. So it went all the way over there. That's why the box looks so freaking beat up. And then it made its way all the way back over to here. Upon receiving it, it had damage, but I've already contacted Valvetronic about the damage to the head unit. I'm pretty sure that it's just cosmetic or whatever. But you know, you still gotta say something about it if you get a damaged product in the mail. These are all of the components that you would end up getting. It comes with these nice remotes. I'm not gonna lie, these are nice. They stepped up their key game because Army Tricks has some dope old keys on their stuff. There is a T-flange if you're gonna be running 2 mufflers, so that's what I'll end up using. This is the antenna receiver. This, you get 2 keys. And this portion right here plugs into the unit, so that, and then it also plugs into most of this stuff is made for BMWs, so that they have a cigarette lighter in their trunk, so usually just plugs right into there. They wire it, fish it down into underneath the carpet, and then it's a clean install. But I really want to hardwire mine, so that's probably what I'm going to end up doing with mine. Batteries are located in the rear. Be pretty easy to do. Also, you will receive, usually it's blue, but now it's black. They send you a good amount of the vacuum line hose. It's not anything too special, just some hose that will run down from the control unit, split to the T, and then go to each of the mufflers. Alright, now what you guys been waiting for, the mufflers. So whenever you get them packaged up, bubble wrap, everything. Here we have one. Yeah, got it cut open for you guys to see. Valvetronic muffler design. Muffler. There's the valve. Back side of it, kind of see in there. Yeah, I mean, it looks really nice. I'm not gonna lie, it looks really nice. So this is a better look at the welds. They look nice, man. So I'll get these out and give you guys a better look at everything. going on my car. It's a 2016 Dodge Challenger, but it is the V6 version. I have a custom full 3-inch exhaust. This is going to make it even more custom because now I have the active muffler. We'll see about getting them installed on the car pretty soon, and hopefully it makes it, you know, a lot more drivable. I mean, it already is, but you know, sometimes you don't want to hear your exhaust, you just want to listen to the music. Follow up, shot. Looking good.
What up?
That's how you do it right there.
Gang, gang. Gang, gang, bro. Yeah. Give me some.
Right, you got some meat with you.
Alright, I'm not even gonna cap with you. It is quiet. Like silent. Like compared to how it was before, man. I don't even know how to explain, like there's like nothing. Just the road. And that's insane because before it wasn't like bad or anything like that, but it wasn't like this at all. Like it was always just a little bit of drone. With this, there's like nothing. Like, it's crazy. So this is just driving like normal. All you hear is just a little wind and everything, and the windows are down. Like I don't know, bro. Like it's quiet. It's perfect. I got like no complaints whatsoever. Besides the way that it looks a little goofy on the on one side of the exhaust. Okay, so man, it looks way better with just the black tips, and it is like I said, dead silent. So I'm about to sit here and try to get the module installed and everything, and we'll hear how she sounds with the valves open and closed. And okay, so I decided to go ahead and open up the control unit that was damaged when I received it. That's how it looks on the inside. There's a pump right here, and I just went ahead and took this fitting off because this fitting, you can't see through it. That's because when it was in packaging, they smashed the box all up, which is why this was damaged, especially like how it is, and it left stuff all inside of this fitting. So I had to disassemble the whole thing in order to get it out because it's shoved in there. This is what ended up being inside of there. You can see that's a pretty big chunk. There, you can see the white is cleared now. So I had to take it all the way apart so that I could reattach the fitting to the vacuum hose. This is what it looks like on the inside. Here's the air out right through there. Has a little filter. Rev it up. Go ahead. Rev it. Rev it. Rev it.